Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
Look at that. 2 cars.
That was fast.
Yeah, that's cute.
Good morning. It's a beautiful day here in North Salt Lake City, and we are at a small business called Harker, Harker Outdoors, and we're having the Jeep fitted today to have a camper put on it. Oh, here's a cool one. This is a green one. So this is a, what is it called? Ours is black. It is not green. I can't remember what it's called, but this top part flips up like that, and the back part here is kind of tent material. So I'll have Harley record as they put it on. So they put it on here. It's a permanent fixture. So we'll show you the process. So this is it. This is the company, Harker Outdoors USA.
Got everything you need. Like that. Those outlines are nice for the price you get them. And that's a synthetic cable?
No, I think it was.
That's still cable?
Here we are, getting a camper for the Jeep.
That might be kind of close to your face. I'm not sure. Maybe going back so you can see.
Oh. Here, hold this. Here.
Huh?
Hold this on the
Oh.
Inches. That's good.
Bring yours forward a little bit.
Yeah.
Tucker, you gotta go forward a little bit.
It's already on the back.
Oh, there you go.
That's too far forward, Brandon. We gotta come back.
For how much?
Fire extinguisher holder.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, you know your stuff.
Ah, we've been studying.
Nice.
Flake this and pop it out.
Yep, so you can go ahead and do that.
Yep.
So it's just this little pink tab.
Yep.
Push and pop straight out. There you go. And then you click right on. That'll put you in free swing.
Are these unlocked?
Not yet. So those lock automatically.
Okay, all right. Okay.
But that, so you get the free
Yeah,
swing,
yeah.
and then for this key it'll be teeth to the top,
Okay, okay,
and then it's kind of a twist and lift
okay,
thing.
okay.
And then at this point you still have that full hinge capability, so you can still go all the way up and all the way down until twist.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
And then it lifts off?
Yep, lifts
All right.
right off.
I'm gonna put it on here.
And then
Oh, sweet.
it hooks on the side,
Video,
or you
watch
might
the
just
videos.
have to, or one link off. Here, let me move
God.
it.
Want to move that one forward, or?
There you go. So one on, and you might just have to kind of guide it in.
Okay.
There you go. Yep, and then twist, and then I just push them down, not all the way.
Okay,
just
so
to-
they don't lock?
Yeah, just so you're not
Oh.
locking it.
Oh,
Then you
okay.
don't have to mess with the keys when you're taking it back off. Then there's a little switch on the back, and you just lift up on that switch, and then it'll
Oh, okay.
pull loose.
Yep.
Perfect, just
There
like
you go.
that.
Look at that.
And then, yep, pull it up tight. We recommend up to 50 pounds on here.
Yeah, okay.
And then as you get closer to that
Yeah.
50, you'll just
Okay.
have to tighten it up.
Okay, all right, okay. Wow.
Table. And then, once you got your door off, just drop the gate. One up, one latch, two latch.
Watch so many videos.
Give it a push.
Look at that.
Oh,
Right up.
oh,
Yeah, and you still have that
Okay.
spring in between there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
you got the tempo comes out over your head. And there's a little bit of tension, so you just want to
Okay.
pop it into
Pop it in
place.
there. Okay.
And then yep, you got the string right there.
Okay.
So it just goes to these red loops. Pop it up.
Yeah, you want to leave it open a little bit, huh, for air.
Yeah, the
Okay,
windows,
there you
yep.
go.
And then when I'm not using this, I just
Oh,
toss it in
okay,
there.
okay.
And then you got two sides. There's one side for
Yep.
you. Two sides of the annex.
Is this so we can zip down there then?
Yeah, yeah. So they just zip on. Let's see if we got the right side. So yep. So you're gonna be flat side to the middle. Yeah, right there. So flat side to the middle. And this curved edge to the outside. You can keep going to the outside. You feel that Velcro. Kind of right below your left hand.
Yep, right here.
And then that other zipper starts right down here by this Velcro.
Oh, here.
okay. Right.
Zip them on now?
Yep, it zips right on.
Oh, these are heavy zippers.
Oh yeah. Nice and sturdy.
oh, shoot.
And yep, goes all the way to the middle. And sometimes it helps leave a little bit of slack, and that'll help get your middle zipper started. And then once your middle zipper started,
So this is our plan to never be in a motel again, ever,
Yeah.
whatever happens.
Are these open or these?
you can leave it open, closed, shut, kind of perfect preference on one.
Okay.
Then you have your middle zip. Yep. There's that. And then I can step out real quick. And then you have
Oh,
kind
snaps
of a
inside,
rain
yeah.
fly,
Yeah.
and that goes
Okay.
to the inside.
Okay.
And then yep, snaps down the side. Now I can do my
Oh,
buttons first.
wow.
And that kind of helps the Velcro line up a little better.
Yeah.
Just like that. And then just mirrored on the other
Yeah,
side,
yeah,
right?
yeah, same thing, yeah.
And then you also have these bungees.
Okay.
So this is just the adjustment for your
Oh, for the bungee,
for
okay.
the bungee
good.
right there.
All right.
And then you can adjust this as needed.
Okay.
And that goes just right around your tailgate there.
Okay. Right.
And
And these tie off anywhere you can.
then yeah,
Now,
so
see, this is right. I got this right here, which is perfect.
yeah, so you can tie there.
Okay.
So
So then what? You have. So, or you can stake it to the ground, or what?
yeah, so tent stakes is usually the ones I see for these front ones.
Okay.
We're
Okay.
gonna
I've
actually
got-
want to come forward.
Okay. All right.
And then with these back ones,
Yeah.
I've seen carabiners, tent
Okay,
stakes,
okay.
and then they'll
Okay.
even go like up into the wheel well
Okay.
or
Okay.
tie it around your bumper here. So kind of personal preference.
Yeah.
As long as they're going in the opposite direction.
Yeah. To keep seat
It's
to
gonna
keep.
keep you nice and taut.
Okay.
If it gets like windy, and usually
Yep.
it's high winds when you need to start staking it down.
Yeah.
This bungee does pretty good with the buttons and such.
Yeah.
Sweet.
All right. Yeah.
Can you hold that door open?
Oh. That's what I was going.
And you can also give this here at the sliding bed really. Nice belly view.
Cool. Yeah.
And then you can go ahead and push that bed. Goes right up to the ceiling.
I don't know if you can see this. It's
Gives
pretty
you all
dark
the
in
space
there.
back here.
Oh, wow.
Center side window, it's on rubber seals, so it's gonna be a little sticky until
Okay.
it works
All right.
in.
Okay. Okay. And then
And there's that,
Yeah.
and then with these, levers, and then it
whole thing.
folds in.
Yeah. See. Yeah. Good.
Get in, wash your windows, whatever.
Yeah.
And then
Sweet.
just like that. Those are rightfully
Okay,
yours.
Thanks.
Any questions or
No,
concerns so
that's
far?
it. I watched all the videos and.
Wow. That's so nice.
Heck yeah. Yeah, you got the batteries already going. Cool batteries. Really nice. That looks cool. Should we show you anything? Sure.
There it is.
So really, pretty much reverse. Bring your bed down. Usually about right at the bottom of the
Wow.
bed. The structural release.
There we go. Next adventure. Harker Outdoors.
Doesn't hurt anything if it slams, but keeping stuff nice. And then, got your bungee.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a thing here to step on. So.
Oh yeah, for sure. A lot of people too. Looks like you guys got the bigger fridge.
Yeah. Use that to step on.
Some people
yeah.
use the fridge to step on. Yep. So that's kind of a good step up. I go almost all the way down, put as much out as I can, and then I kind of feel the sweet spot where that. Yeah, just right there, and then you're slowly
a little bit
pushing.
more.
And then go ahead and do another kind of pull. Yep, just like that. You're natural.
Wow.
And then just make sure nothing's peeking at you. I'll watch this stuff here. The sun is bright.
Yeah.
I'll get on this side.
You're good here too.
Wow. So nice.
Easy as that.
Easy peasy.
Cool, guys. That's awesome.
Wow, nice.
And then when you're pulling your door off, just the exact reverse.
Yep.
Just got your pair of these. And then leave these open
yeah.
so they just pop open. This one.
Yeah.
And then this top edge right here is going to be your pinch section.
Okay.
So you can either
Oh.
go right on the handles,
Okay.
or I like to go side
On the
and
sides.
bottom.
Okay.
Oh.
It's just the best leverage. And then and over,
Boom.
twist, and then when you hear it click,
It's automatically locked.
locked in. Yep, exactly. Then you can throw your struts on. Boom.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, guys. Have a maiden voyage planned yet?
Not yet.
Not yet? Just wherever the road takes you.
Yeah.
It'll be awesome. Yes, dude.
Going on the road, going on the road, going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.